My name's Andrew. I'm a pastor. I give PastorsLine 4 out of 5 stars. And for more reviews like this, click below. So before we used PastorsLine, we used a project called Remind, which is great for what it does. It's designed for schools to be able to communicate with classroom parents, but it didn't really work that well communicating with a whole congregation. And it didn't have lots of the different communication modes that PastorsLine does to be able to call and text and integrate with email as well. There were a couple of reasons we chose PastorsLine. One is that it was made for us. The folks who make it have worked in congregations and know about the needs and opportunities that come from communicating with that particular kind of population. We were also really impressed by the flexibility of the tool. It can do a lot of different things. And part of that was the integrations it offered. It worked seamlessly with MailChimp and also with our church management system. Those were a lot of the reasons we wound up going with PastorsLine. It was very easy to get started with PastorsLine. Jason is there on email and text, ready to help you get it set up. And they had a really nice feature about helping us import the information of our members, both from the communication system we used previously and to be able to sync that information with our church management system database. So a couple recommendations if you're thinking about getting PastorsLine. The first is make sure to take advantage of that free trial. It's really useful to get your ministry leaders on board when they have a chance to see the tool in action and appreciate what it can do. The other thing I'd really recommend is using one of the features that allows members of your congregation to get texts from your church landline's number and for them to be able to text that number as well, particularly for folks that aren't used to kind of communicating with the church by text, but may have your church's phone number memorized. The ability to see that number on their screen and be able to respond to it was a big reason that we wound up going this way.